If any of you are wondering what knot we're tying, it's referred to as the falconer's knot. And it's something that takes a little while to learn, but it's the most useful knot you'll ever use. Oh my gosh. She sounds grumpy, but I assure you it's all for show. Okay. But that knot, no matter how hard we pull that knot, how tight we pull it, okay, it is never, ever, ever going to be one of those knots that, you know, if you pull it too hard, you can never get it undone again. Okay, it's a quick release knot, and it ensures Red's safety, because if she's tied onto you and there was an accident, say maybe a staff member tripped over and we hurt ourselves, then the last thing we want is her to be tied to us, because we could pull her down with us. If we're in a dangerous situation, the last thing we want is for her to be stuck on the glove with a knot we can't undo. So it's so easy for us to undo, get her off the glove if there is a dangerous situation, and pop her away somewhere safe. It is very important that we do this.
What's her name again?
Reds.
Reds. Reds.
Very creative name for a red turtle.
Yeah.
For all the birds on this little nest, we've got Reds, we've got Troy, who you flew earlier, we've got Gem, she's called Gem because she's a real gem. We've got Angel here. Now she's no way an angel whatsoever, don't listen to her name at all, she's a bit of a demon. Okay, and we have Callie. Callie's brand new with us, she's come to live with us because I believe her owner was a fantastic owner, but in some cases some owners get a bit too old to look after their birds. Accident at work that wasn't her fault, and she hurt her leg, she actually dislocated her leg.
Oh dear.
So if you have a look, one of her legs is particularly bowed. It's actually the one on this side here, if you want to get my finger in the shot there. So it's that one there. You can see it's bowed to one side. She basically, I think the...
Oh, sorry, you're pointing to... Oh, God. Oh dear,
right,
sorry. You're pointing to the claw.
Well, I was pointing to that leg that I referred to.
Okay,
I just won't stick my hand too close because I don't want to lose fingers.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on nice and tightly. There you go. I'll support your hand a little bit, so I know she's quite a hefty one. She could lay off all of the chickens, couldn't she? And he's got a Weight Watchers diet. Okay.
He's got a fat tummy.
He's got a fat tummy.
It's because she's had her tea. That's that crop that we were explaining earlier.
What do you call it? A crop?
Had a crop.
Crop.
Another cool part of a bird, which actually talents, you want to jump back onto my hand now. We'll jump back over because I know she's quite heavy. Another cool word for a part of a bird is actually to do with the jelly part that grows their talons. That's called a quick. It's because it's windy. She likes to kind of have a bit of a fly in the wind. The reason why we don't fly her inside is that she's not very confident in doing so. If I hold on to her for this bit, she'll just rest you on your hand. She's not that confident of flying inside for us. Lots of different distractions. Okay?
What do you think of that?
It's pretty cool.
Very cool bird.
Okay, now we're going to take care of you and we're going to go say hello to some more birds that are maybe a bit your size.